Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is James Luke. I'm a visual effects artist, and today I'm going to walk you through how I use the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 to create the short animation you just watched using an NVIDIA RTX 40 series laptop GPU. When I set out to create this ninja-inspired animation, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 was an integral part of the process. Thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce 40 series GPU's AI accelerator, I could effortlessly handle motion capture animation in Blender and environment creation in Unreal Engine 5. The process was not just faster, but also incredibly efficient, cutting down on the time typically spent on 3D rendering and complex scene building. This powerful laptop GPU made it so easy to bring my creative vision to life. Additionally, I was able to cut down on time migrating assets by incorporating NVIDIA Omniverse into my workflow on the Zephyrus G16. The AI support for tools like Omniverse and Stable Diffusion was a game changer, allowing me to generate high-quality, detailed images for textures in seconds. The Zephyrus G16's AI acceleration performance with these tools was nothing short of remarkable. What's even more amazing about this laptop is that it's not just a performance for creators, but also an absolute beast for gaming. The NVIDIA GeForce 40 series GPU delivers amazing performance, enhancing in-game AI technologies like RTX and DLSS, leading to more immersive and responsive gameplay. The speed and efficiency it brought to my animation work was unparalleled, making tasks like 3D rendering and video editing more than twice as fast. And the slim design of the laptop meant I could work on the project from just about anywhere, all without compromising on power or performance. This experience has truly reshaped my approach to digital animation and creative projects. Thank you so much to Asus ROG for inviting me to be on the broadcast to show my work and my experience with you guys. And remember, shoot, edit, comp, repeat.